Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to copy files from Windows to your Android mobile. Okay, here is my Windows 11 PC. I opening my file Explorer. Okay, you can see here this is my video folder, and I select those files. Okay, you can see here I'm selecting these files and right click, then select cut option for moving these files to my phone. And here is I'm unlocking my phone. You can see here I'm unlocked, and now I am connecting my phone with type C cable. Okay, connected, and you can see here this pop-up is appeared, and you can simply select from notification panel. There is an option for USB type, so click that and select transferring files, and you will get these functions. Or you can choose transferring images, but if you are selecting transferring images, then it will be only show uh, camera folder only. So I am using Android Auto or transferring files options. So opening this and opening DCIM, and here is my folder YT02, and here is some files. I don't want this, so I'm selecting those files, then I'm deleting those files. Okay, then simply right click, then select this paste option. So those file will move to my mobile phone. So that's guys very simple tutorial. In this way you can simply move some files from your laptop to your Android phones. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you did and if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.